Hi guys, it's Peter with Wave One Marine, and today we're looking at our dual color IP68 rated under T-top light. This T-top light is designed to be an easy upgrade if you have older incandescent or halogen lighting that failed underneath your T-top. It's a perfect upgrade and it looks beautiful. While others are using cheap made housings out of plastic that become brittle or they allow for water to intrude, with our proprietary silicone sealing process, as well as a beautiful 6063 aluminum housing, it is a beautiful item that will install and last on your boat for many years. It also comes with all stainless hardware and stainless screws to install it. Our light's easy to adjust colors. You can do both colors or one color, your accent color, at the same time. It works beautifully. Even the switches are sealed in our proprietary silicone process. It's a fantastic light and it looks beautiful underneath your T-top. Most importantly, unlike many poor quality imitations, we're based right here in the United States. We have great customer service and a no-hassle warranty if needed. We've tested these lights on hundreds of boats in tough ocean conditions, day in and day out, and we believe in them and they are a fantastic product. You simply cannot get a better dual color IP68 rated light for underneath your T-top or gunnel or inside a hatch on the market. Thanks so much.